Good day everyone, I am Leia Brimino Flor. I am the trainer for the Food and Beverage Services NC4 program. So today I will be presenting the progress and achievement report of Trainee 4. So this report summarizes the trainees' growth, acquired competences, and performance throughout the 49.9-hour training program. Program Food and Beverage Service NC4, duration 49.9 hours. Objective to assess the trainee's progress and mastery of required competences, including communication, organization, problem solving, customer service, and also the environmental awareness. So, progress chart summary. So, we use trainee 4. So, we have utilized specialized communication skills, develop teams and individual, and apply problem-solving techniques in the workplace. And also, we have developed teams and individual, promote environmental protection, conduct assessment, manage finances within a budget, and also manage quality customers. And we have managed quality customer service and also prepare tenders for catering contracts. In summary, based on the progress chart, Trainee 4 successfully met all required competencies for the food and beverage services and C4 qualification. They showed consistent growth in communication, teamwork, and technical performance. All assessment and reports were completed with accuracy and professionalism. And also, in conclusion, Trainee 4 demonstrated both competence and commitment throughout the program. All standards set by TESDA were achieved and the trainee has shown readiness for employment in the food and beverage industry. It is the confidence that I recommend this trainee as qualified and capable of performing the duties of food and beverage professional. Next, we have the achievement chart summary. So, fully achieved competences in communication, organization, teamwork, and leadership. Next is successfully demonstrated workplace problem solving and quality service delivery. Number 3 is completed performance evaluation and documentation accurately. Number 4 is applied environmental protection and financial management principle effectively. Last is met the competency standard required for food and beverage services and C4. Our competencies, we have conduct assessment, manage finances within a budget, and collect, analyze, and organize information. We have plan and organize work and promote environmental protection. And last is manage quality customer service, operate food outlet, and last is prepare tenders for catering contracts. So, trainees evaluation and conclusion. The trainee shown significant growth and professionalism throughout the 49.9-hour program. All core competencies under TESDA standards were achieved. The trainee is ready for industry application. So, overall, Trainee 4 successfully achieved all required competences. They showed strong performance in both technical, including leadership, organization, and service excellence. So, their consistent effort reflects readiness for professional employment in the food and beverage industry. In conclusion, Trainee 4 has shown an outstanding growth and consistent improvement throughout the training program, so their performance reflect competence, responsibility, and readiness for the food and beverage industry. So I am confident that this trainee can apply the skills learned effectively in real workplace settings. That's all. Thank you.